Struggling to start your fitness journey? Don't worry, I've got you. This is a super simple 10-minute full-body workout made just for beginners, and the best part? No equipment needed. Yep, you don't need weights, a gym, or fancy gear, just a little space and a tiny bit of motivation. And don't worry, I'll guide you through every single move step by step. You can go at your own pace, and if you need breaks, take them. The goal here is progress, not perfection. So, are you ready? Let's do this together. Your 10-minute workout starts now. Before we jump into the workout, let's warm up those muscles. This step is super important. It helps prevent injuries and gets your body ready to move. So don't skip it. We've got 4 simple moves, 30 seconds each. Just follow along. First up, jumping jacks. Start slow if you need to. Just focus on getting your body moving. Arms up, feet out, next. Arm circles. Stretch those arms out to the sides and make small circles. Now go bigger. Feel that nice stretch in your shoulders. Now, high knees. Lift those knees as high as you can. If jumping feels too hard, just march in place. The goal is to wake up those legs. Last one, torso twists. Keep your feet planted and twist side to side. Let your upper body loosen up. And that's it. Warm up complete. Now your body is ready to work. Let's get into the real workout. We've got 5 exercises, each for 40 seconds, with a 10-second rest in between. Stay with me, go at your own pace, and most importantly, have fun with it. First up, squats. Feet shoulder width apart, chest up, and lower yourself down like you're sitting in a chair. Push through your heels to stand back up. Feel those legs working. If you're new to squats, go as low as you comfortably can. Next, push-ups. Drop down into a plank position, hands under your shoulders. Lower yourself, then push back up. Too hard? Drop to your knees. The key is to keep your core tight. Now, lunges. Step forward, lower your back knee towards the ground, then push back up and switch legs. If balancing feels tricky, take it slow. Up next, plank. Elbows down, core tight, and hold. Imagine a straight line from your head to your heels. If it feels tough, take a deep breath and push through. Last one, mountain climbers. Hands on the floor, bring your knees in one at a time, like you're running in place. Go at your own speed, but keep moving. Now let's take a moment to cool down and stretch out those muscles. This is just as important as the workout itself. It'll help your body recover and feel good after all that movement. First, deep breaths. Stand tall, close your eyes if you want, and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Inhale, exhale. Let your body relax with every breath. Next, toe. Touch stretch. Reach for your toes. If you can't quite reach, that's okay. Just go as far as you can without forcing it. Feel that stretch in your hamstrings. Let your head and neck relax. Finally, chest stretch. Interlace your fingers behind your back and gently pull your arms up and back. Open up your chest. Take a nice deep breath. Feel the stretch across your chest and shoulders. And that's a wrap. 10 minutes of full body movement, and you should be feeling awesome right now. Remember, fitness is all about consistency. So, keep showing up every day, and trust me, you'll start to see those results. Whether you're getting stronger or just feeling more energized, every workout counts. If you enjoyed this workout, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Health Oxide so you never miss out on another one.